Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you mix lemon peels with tomato and remove smile lines in 5 days. Just apply it on your skin and remove smile lines naturally, remove fine lines and wrinkles without side effects with all natural ingredients. This magical remedy works 100%. The first ingredient we need is 1 lemon, and we need the lemon peel, like so, my friends. Then we need 1 small tomato, and get the tomato puree like so. Then we need 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, mix well all the ingredients. Now apply it on your skin, apply it on your face, and leave it to dry out completely. Then rinse it with water. Repeat every day for 5 days and you will get rid of any smile lines, fine lines naturally without any side effects with this simple remedy, my friends.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.